Shosho guys, welcome back to Speaker Nawe. I'm still your boy Taylor DJ. So today bengifuna nje wenze i-reaction yama-Sama Award akade yenzakala. Abe last week Sunday. Abantu abaningi bebeshocked ke because abawabonanga because enze ngoDecember nabantu abaningi babhizi ngoDecember banale into zabo but ngifuna ukufocus kala ma-categories awu-2 kuyona engiwathanda kuMasama. Yokuqala i-Best Hip Hop, elandela i-Best Maskandi. So i-Best Hip Hop kuyathusisa umsindo because iwine u-25k. Abantu abaningi bathi no lo muntu owinile abamazi but I don't think check ama nominations because laphana khona ama-album eka-Black khona no reason. I think kuleya category because bekunominate ama-album awu-4. I think i-album kwa-25k iyakudeserve ukuwina leya category because abantu ade nominate nabo bevele ayikho i-album yakade strong bikhona ngoba eka-Tony uTony Diamond naye no I don't think naye be solid then eka-25k. Bese sayenza last year i-review album ka-25k ihlangene nje nama-features amaningi so mina I think ayideserve le album lana e-Best Hip Hop. There's also another category le kuyona-ke vamise ukususa umsindo i-Best Maskandi ithathwe uKhuzani laphana. I think nayo leyo beyideserve-ke leyo because i-album yakhe lethi Angilani Nengane yenza into enkulu but-ke i-biggest award of the night ithathwe uMthandeni i-record of the year. I think uqopha umlando angikhumbuli kube khona ingoma kaMaskandi wina i-record of the year. I'm not sure ngalesikhathi sashwini nomuntu ekhaya album yabo lo iwangisiza baba ukuthi yayiwina yini leyo ngoma lo award because wena award enkulu kuma award so sibonge lo Mthandeni lapha wina i-record of the year waphindwa wina ne-best music video. So Maskandi uhambe nje phambili abashaya bonke namaso nominate nabanye abantu ku-best music video. So yilawo nje ama-categories awu-2 ngike ngabona i-Twitter lapha uzex bantwini ngathi complain ngamaSama. I think into yamasama lakhe mina ngawabukela last year i-standards akhona ngisibona sasi-improvile awadise bengakawabuki but I think asenayo low value especially ukubuildeni i-brand artist. So mhlambe nje into abayilahle ngayo this year ukuthi bewenze ngoDecember leyo I think kube yi-flop enkulu because abantu ngoDecember banake into eningi and I don't think bawamarketile so wabona sedlala nje lapha. So I think mhlambe bengawaqhubeka because ayijole kuba around abo-March nabo-April ekuqaleni konyaka ngaba right-ke lapho but nje mina I think isabalekile ukuthi bekhona into efana nama-South African Music Award because iwona ama-award akhuluma into ethinta nomzansi and nalaphana kwi-bio ye-artist eda leyo value leyo. So nami-ke umbono wami nguSpeaker Nawe. Anyway sekhona ku-Twitter ethi Speaker Nawe, sikhona ku-TikTok ethi Speaker Nawe, sikhona ku-Twitch ethi Speaker Nawe. Away we out.